we guide you through how to view Slack analytics. So the first thing you need to do is to open Slack and sign into your workspace. On the left sidebar, click on your workspace name, then select Tools and Settings. From the drop-down menu, choose Analytics to access your workspace analytics dashboard. Here, you can view important data such as active members, messages sent, channel activity, and overall workspace engagement. Use the tabs at the top to switch between different reports and insights. If you're a workspace owner or admin, you'll have access to more detailed analytics and export options. You can also adjust the date range to analyze activity over specific periods and identify trends with your team. Reviewing this analytics regularly can help measure engagements, improve communication, and monitor workspace growth.